Good afternoon. The Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office of TUI Batangas says almost 60 students were rushed to the Rural Health Unit of the municipality due to the volcanic smog from Taal Volcano. The TUI MDRRMO says several students on Thursday experienced difficulty breathing and chest pain due to the volcanic smog. It adds that 45 students were brought to the Rural Health Unit on Thursday afternoon, but the numbers of those who got ill still went up to 57 by Thursday evening. The MDRRMO says most of the students were able to recover immediately, but one was admitted in a hospital. However, the office says the student admitted in the hospital is expected to be released today, Friday. In its 5 a.m. bulletin on Friday, the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology says it observed volcanic smog over Taal Volcano, adding that 4,569 metric tons per day of volcanic sulfur dioxide gas emission were measured on Thursday. PHIVOLCS also records pronounced upwelling of hot volcanic fluids in Taal's main crater lake and plumes reaching 2,400 meters tall, drifting west-southwest and southwest. PHIVOLCS earlier issued an advisory on Thursday reminding the public to stay indoors and wear N95 face masks as Taal emits volcanic smog. According to PHIVOLCS, volcanic smog consists of fine droplets containing volcanic gas such as sulfur dioxide, which is acidic and can cause irritation of the eyes, throat, and the respiratory tract. Several local governments have suspended classes on Friday, September 22, due to volcanic smog emitted by Taal Volcano. For Metro Manila, classes are suspended in all levels in both public and private schools in several cities. The cities of Manila and Pasig are suspending face-to-face classes in all levels in both public and private schools, while classes in all levels in public schools are suspended in Quezon City. As of 10 a.m. on Friday, several areas in Batangas have also suspended classes, while some Batangas areas have suspended face-to-face classes. There are also no classes in all levels in public and private schools in over 20 areas in Cavite. Meanwhile, 5 local government units in Laguna announced class suspensions on Friday. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology and the Department of Environment and Natural Resources say that the smog in Metro Manila is not caused by Taal Volcano. PHIVOLCS on Friday clarifies to reporters that the fog it detected from Taal Volcano is drifting west-southwest, hence it is not going towards Metro Manila. Meanwhile, in an interview with INQUIRER.net, the DENR echoes PHIVOLCS' statement, saying that based on the direction of air, the smog in parts of Metro Manila is not because of Taal. Air quality monitoring data from the DENR indicates that certain areas within Metro Manila are currently encountering poor air quality, particularly in the cities of Parañaque, Pateros, and Makati. DENR warns people with respiratory diseases to limit going outdoors in Pateros and Makati as air quality is currently classified as, quote, unhealthy for sensitive groups. On the other hand, Parañaque has acutely unhealthy air quality, with residents warned to limit outdoor activities, while those with heart or respiratory diseases should stay indoors as much as possible. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Mao Ning refutes that China is behind the supposed destruction of marine resources in the West Philippine Sea. In a press conference on Thursday, Mao says the accusations, quote, have no factual basis, adding that the Philippines should, quote, stop creating political drama from fiction. The Chinese official also claims the Philippines is polluting the West Philippine Sea by illegally grounding the BRP Sierra Madre at Ayungin Shoal, which she called Ren Ai Jiao. In a separate statement Thursday evening, the Department of Foreign Affairs expressed its readiness to contribute to legal actions that the Office of the Solicitor General may pursue involving the issue. However, Foreign Affairs spokesperson Teresita Daza noted that they are still waiting for the assessment of the environmental damage in Rosul Reef. The Office for Transportation Security is currently investigating 4 screening officers allegedly involved in a theft incident at Ninoy Aquino International Airport, where one apparently swallowed $300 in cash. On September 8, a checkpoint supervisor reported that a passenger lost $300 at Naia Terminal 1. CCTV footage then showed that a female security officer stole and apparently swallowed the missing cash. In a television interview, OTS Administrator Mau Aplaska says 3 more security officers have been identified as accomplices. According to Aplaska, the main culprit behind the thieving incident continues to deny that she stole or swallowed cash, but Aplaska says he believes they have enough evidence to charge the culprit and her accomplices. The OTS chief says that Transportation Secretary Jaime Bautista has already ordered the agency to file both administrative and criminal cases against the involved personnel. Here's the latest roundup of today's top stories. Students hospitalized due to volcanic smog from Taal Volcano. PHIVOX and DENR clarify that smog in Metro Manila is not from Taal. Office for Transportation Security investigating 4 screening officers allegedly involved in a theft incident in Naia. And China denies destroying marine resources in the West Philippine Sea, says accusations have no factual basis. And these are the stories you need to know today. I'm Neil Mercado. Follow INQUIRER.net on Facebook, X, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Red. For more stories, visit INQUIRER.net. Good afternoon.